So, about a year ago, I endured in a 3 Scandinavian country tour for about 10 days. Well, really 12 days of just seeing what other cuisines and cultures that are unknown to me. And those countries were Iceland, Sweden, and Denmark. So in this very special series of The Other Chef, we're going to go check out these 3 countries and check out what is going on that makes them a very thought out travel and food destination for young chefs and also young travelers that wants to check out the country, especially on a budget. So this is part 1 of that series when I embark into my first country, Iceland. Hey guys, so we're right now waiting for the bus to Seattle. So right now we're at the Pearl District of downtown Portland.
Because I'm like 7 hours delayed on Greyhound. Gotta get to my airplane.
Yeah. Tech, bless. Hey guys, just got here, just got through customs. I want to show you the first stamp.
Is C26, C26.
for Kefler Airport, and now we're just gonna go pick up our bag. Y'all, check out this stuff here at the duty free. I love this right here. Drink the Viking out of the bottle. So they have a lot of great stuff there. Look at this. All made in the country. And look at the prices on this. So the exchange rate is roughly 95 kroner to US dollar. So it's actually not bad. I mean, you guys have to remember that. Look at that, volcanic vodka. You have to remember that Iceland is a very expensive country. Yeah, this is the one I heard about right here. Brennivin. And look at that man, huh? Very, very cool stuff. They even have some birch wine. Really cool stuff. So I'm gonna keep venturing out and check out, and then might get something before I leave. Oh yeah, this is the schnapps right here. Yeah, so people usually have this with the fermented shark. Something that I will have while I'm here. Hey guys, so just got to Kefler Reykjavik Airport, and I'm actually in one of the bathrooms. Believe it or not, it's actually kind of private, so I'm going to flip the screen over, give you guys a quick tour. So there's the door, you go in, pretty private, it's pretty spacious too, which is really nice. Pretty standard, very clean. When I got in here, attendant point to me where I need to go, so it's actually really cool. Believe it or not, right here, look at this. This is a wash and dry. So you run it, and then your hand goes right. So going back to flip mode, it's pretty cool. I'm so excited. I just got it here. Not really tired. Took a good nap on the plane. It was about a 7-hour flight, but unfortunately I have to check my bag, but they didn't charge me for it, so I had to go pick up the baggage. Look at all this stuff. So, y'all read this. These were actually confiscated at customs. Crazy. So sorry for the voiceover. There was a lot of turbulence in the bus. So the bus was taking me straight into Reykjavik, and since my hostel was not ready yet, I was able to download my bags, and they suggested me to check out this bistro called Snaps Bistro. And this is the hostel I was staying for the next 2 days in Iceland. Hey guys, so I'm on Lavender Street in Reykjavik, Iceland, and I'm gonna go check out this Icelandic bistro that's actually gonna close at 11. Right now it is about 9:30, so I'm actually not far away. So it's actually pretty interesting. This is more of the touristy area, so obviously prices are going to be slightly elevated, but a lot of cool shops. Okay, here we are, Snaps. So let's go check out their menu before I even make a decision of what I want. Oh, it's French style bistro. I don't know about this one, guys. It's a little pricey. What I didn't know that it was actually a breakfast buffet, so I took advantage of the cured meats and some of the local Icelandic treats, especially their Icelandic butter. Now, to be fair, their buffet was about 2,100 krona, so it's about roughly $22. It was a great deal, especially for a buffet. Hey guys, just left Snap's Bistro in downtown Reykjavik. Very tasty, by the way. So next stop is the cathedral, and we're not far away. I'm actually almost looking at it. So you guys stay tuned.